So this is going to be a very quick live. I'll probably just be here for a couple of minutes, but um, I'm wondering if we reach the end of the whole free fall and the market is crashing and it's the end of the world and yada 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 and um, just all the riffraff you've been hearing. And of course, you guys know that my position is that the market moves harmonically and will create harmonic patterns, and it's going to look for structure, and it's going to look for certain price points regardless of what's happening. When that criteria is met, then that's the reaction that you'll get. So I wanted to just run through some of these. It's not really necessarily assurance. And remember, we don't provide trading advice, trading signals, managed capital, or we're not financial advisors. Uh, Consult a professional of your choice when you're dealing with your capital in these very volatile markets. But I did talk about TSM on one of the earlier videos earlier this week, maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and it's been kind of rocking and rolling, as you can see that fill there on this is a bullish shark pattern. And like I said, this is something that I got involved in early in the week, and today's Friday, so not so bad. Come up, I'm up really big in a position, comes back yesterday, takes it back. Now it looks like it might be on the run again. Either way it go, it looks like this is going to be a win. Hopefully, I'll look up sometime next week and we're at TP1 without them. But you got to understand, the market's going to ebb and flow. It's going to push up, get highs, outside return, find structure, go get new highs. That's the way the market moves, so that's okay. I completely expected him to take all that back yesterday. Today we're back on track with it. Nvidia, and the only reason I'm putting Nvidia up here, I'm actually not in Nvidia because I wanted the larger move down here. I actually wanted the bullish Gartley pattern, but I wanted to point out again, here's a winning crab pattern that field for Nvidia. So if anybody was out there wondering why they are having success with Nvidia, it's because you're actually getting the reaction of a harmonic pattern. Many people, the majority of people, just didn't know that that's why they were winning. It's because it came down perfectly fill on a bullish crab pattern. With absolutely no drawdown to the penny, basically, and then fire off. Okay, this is all you can ever ask for in this game. Walmart, people were probably wondered why they're getting destroyed on Walmart. And the reason is because they didn't know that Walmart was not going to catch up and react in their favor, at least bullish, or for any type of upward opportunity, buy opportunity, or call opportunity if you trade options, until this butterfly pattern field comes filled to the T. A lot of stuff is coming out really, really perfect too. If I just go back, like TSM perfection, Nvidia perfection, Walmart perfection. Red day yesterday, of course, but come out today green. Okay, come out today green. Everything that we want, oversold on RSI. And this is the reaction that you get when you understand that sometimes this is really just about a game of patience and how trained of an eye that you have. So again, we're going to move through this really, really quick. D-Wave Quantum, amazing work. A lot of people weren't understand that the reason that if they were in here, this is the result of the advanced cipher pattern. Okay, but people were, looking for ways to get in. If you had known this, you're in and you win. If you understood advanced pattern recognition. Now, he does have a complex retest down here. That's okay. That is to be expected. Okay, that can be expected to come back and visit that area before he actually does his work. The cipher is still in effect. And look at the tremendous. So he hit the second target with ease, which would have been right around here. And then comes back, gaps through, and just takes off. Beautiful work. One of the most beautiful things that I've seen in a long time. Okay, fire off, stop, gap, new day, and go. Okay, if APR is king and you watch this video, type APR is king in the chat. Qualcomm. So this is a very, very, very beautiful opportunity. Okay, because you come down, you get a bullish bat pattern, you get some reaction. He comes, takes it back. But when he takes it back, just take a look at this area down here, the smaller area, as I had to come back to show you what happened. So when I come back down here, you see, uses another advanced pattern, uses another bat pattern to come off and fire off and pay off on a winner. But you won't know these things unless you understand advanced pattern recognition. Sorry, I don't make the rules, I just follow them. AMD, nothing to talk about. Adobe, waiting for him. Remember, this is a game of patience. So if you're long on Adobe, I'm sorry, you're going to have to hold out. And if you can't hold out and wait, then Adobe is going to have a surprise for you at $315. But you're going to have to wait that out a few days next week. Not going to talk about that because that'll piss some people off. But since I'm here, wouldn't it be amazing if you won thousands of dollars off of trading Trump's bullish Gartley pattern? I had to. I know people hate Donald Trump, but I'm not leaving any money on the table. Trump's Gartley pattern filled to the T. Sorry. DJT filled to the T. Over sold on RSI with bullish divergence. That's the Trump stock. Wouldn't that be amazing if you could trade the Trump stock? If you entered the Trump stock at $18 and traded the Trump stock up to like $40, wouldn't that be just amazing? Anyway, I had to. This one was actually more comical and a joke just for people, just to show the power of this stuff. Yes, even Donald Trump's stock does harmonic patterns as well. Dell, beautiful bat pattern, looks struggled a little bit. So this is the only one, if you notice, the only one that we see that had a little bit of drawdown, not too much, but oversold with our divergence, and now looks like Dell might be off to the races once again. Okay, to at least retest these areas here, at least retest these right here. So anyway, gotta let him work, gotta let him do his thing. Okay, of course, all advanced patterns. Okay, that's why APR is king. I did want to do one more thing, and I wanted to go and look at some others that are doing very well today. I'll take Adobe off since we don't need him. INTC. Everything harmonic. Intel, after their purchase, not purchase, but they got some stuff going on, changes in leadership, kicked major butt on Intel. I am riding that all the way up. I am not going anywhere when it comes to Intel. I'm not going anywhere on Intel. We're staying for the long run on that. Let me just talk about it real quick. I can come in a little bit closer for that one. Okay, is APR king or not? All right, this is why I'm so passionate about this trading system. At least this part of it, many parts of it, slight little drawdown, but then after that, he was not playing around at all. I'm just wondering how much more meat is on this bone. Just wondering how much more I can get off of Intel. Just very, very positive outlook for Intel. Tell me if you guys have ever seen a video like this before. Okay. Moving on, who else can we knock out? IONQ, we can leave Intel alone. I'll take AMD spot. IONQ, just showing you guys that whether you like it, hate it, understand it or not, this is the way that the game works. Maybe you'll believe me after this video, okay? All the doom and gloom and all the negative that you've been hearing all week, and I come turn around and show you, no, this is exactly what was happened. IONQ, perfect Gartley pattern, no drawdown at all, off to the races. What a recovery. Beautiful, beautiful work. Who else is on the docket? So many. Pretty much everything. And it was all harmonic too. We were just waiting for these setups. Oklo doesn't have one. Yes, he does. Oklo in a bullish cipher pattern. You guys heard me talk about that earlier. Remember, this is just a quick replay. All right, so there's just so much AVGO, all. I mean, you'll end up burning through your money. So this is a crazy one. So Broadcom doesn't come fill us, but he's reacting. That would have been such an amazing. I needed you to fall a few more dollars and fill that Gartley pattern. All right. So, like I said, I just wanted to come. The whole entire list is green today. Everything is green today. No matter what I do, pull up all my positions. Great week. It did take some recovery. I'm not gonna lie. What started off to be a shaky week is ending up to be a great one. But anyway, we just want to kind of to do like this little intraday video and show everyone that, hey, you know what, all is actually well, and we're not gonna fall off a cliff anyway. Well, who knows? We don't know. Maybe, because after all, for most cases, we just got to our target. So it'll really be about trying to close these positions out. These two target winners, close them out like right now, like get out, go ahead, take the money off the table, and just wait for the next round of setups, because the market's going to continue to create these patterns over and over and over and over again, because that's how the market moves, whether you like it, hate it, understand it or not. This is the Harmonic Trading Club intraday trading session. I will see you guys on the next video.